Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix battery drain after update on Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and click on battery draining apps. So here showing you battery draining apps. Click on battery draining app and check battery draining app. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, so click on factory reset. Click on erase all data. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.